Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bakar Tech. So guys, today my topic is how to use Snapchat. Snapchat is a mobile app designed for sharing photos, videos, and messaging stack that decipher after then viewed. Here a quick guide to using Snapchat. Download and install. Go to your App Store, Google Play Store, or Android or App Store for iOS. Search for Snapchat and download. Install the app. Sign up. Open the app tab, sign up, and create an account by entering your email, birthday, and creating a password. You will also choose a username. Add friends. You can add friends by searching for their username, scanning their Snap code, Snapchat versions of a QR code, or allowing Snapchat to access your content. Take snaps, photos, videos. Tap the circular button at the bottom of the screen to take a photo. For videos, press and hold the sum button. You can also add filters, lenses, stickers, and text before sending. Spending snaps. After taking a snaps, you can selecting the friends you can want to send it to by tapping the arrow icon. You can also post it to your story visible to all your friends for 24 hours. Viewing snaps. When someone sending you a snap, you can view it by tapping the chat icon in the bottom left corner. Snaps sent to you can only be viewed for a specific time, usually a few seconds before they disappear. Chat and messaging. You can sending text, photos, videos, and even makes audio calls by swiping right on a friend's names in the chat sections. Stories. Your stories is a collection of the snaps that can be viewed by all your friends for 24 hours. You can add to your story by clicking my story after taking a snaps. Discover and explore. Swipe left from the camera screen to assist. Discover this section includes content from a various published creators and show privacy settings. You can manage your privacy settings such as also who can send you snaps, view your story, and more in the settings menu accessible by tapping your profile icons in the top left corner. Remember, Snapchat is constantly updating in futures, so things might change or new features might be added. Exploring that app and trying out different functions will help you get more comfortable using it. Download and install Snapchat. Go to your App Store, Google Play Store for Android or Apple Store, Apple for iOS. Search for Snapchat and download, install the app, create an account. Open the app, tap on sign up and enter your details such as your name, date of birth, username and password. You will need to verify your phone number or email address. Adjust setting. Customize your setting by tapping on your ghost icon at the top of the screen, then the gear icon to assist settings. Here are you can manage privacy settings, notifications and more. Add friends. You can add friends by searching for the usernames user for snaps Snapchat's QR code signing your contacts by nearby users by nearby. Snap Maps. Swipe down for the camera screen to access the Snap Map. This shows you where your friends are. Verify choosing to their locations and allows you can explore and snap for around the world. Remember to explore the app feature to discover additional features and updates. Settings and mindful of want to share a Snapchat focus and alphabet content the despite after behind view. So guys, today my topic is complete. Allah Hafiz.